Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel R Square Pathshala. My name is Ravi Saini. So today we are going to start a new series of lectures for Indian heritage and culture. In this course we will be dealing with the different topics in Indian heritage and culture which will help you in preparing for UPSC or state services examination or any other competitive exams. So basically in this today's chapter we will be starting Indian classical dances. Okay, so excavations, inscriptions, chronicles of kings and artists, literary sources, sculptures and painting of different periods provides extensive evidence on dance in India. Okay, India has various forms of dances including classical dances and folk dances. One is classical, second is folk dances. Folk dances. So first we will be discussing about Indian classical dances, and after completing these dances then we will move on to folk dances. So in this way we will complete our this topic, Indian classical dance and folk dances. Okay. So contemporary classical dance forms have evolved out of musical play or Sangeet Nataka performed from 12th century to the 19th century. Okay, the Natya Shastra written by Bharat Muni is the most prominent treatise on performing arts, which has influenced dance, music, and literary traditions in India. The Indian classical dances have two basic aspects. One is Tandav, which emphasizes on movement and rhythm, and second is Lasya, which denotes grace, bhava, and rasa. So this Tandav symbolic to male aspect, and this Lasya is symbolic to feminine aspect. Or feminine feature. Okay, so it has three main components. One is Natya, Nrita, and Nritya. Okay, first we'll learn what is Natya, Nritya, and Nritya. Okay, so we'll write here Nrita. First let us write Natya. So Natya means dramatic representation. Dramatic representation. Dramatic representation and refers to the story that is elaborated through the dance recital. Dramatic representation and refers to the story that is elaborated, refer to the story elaborated through dance recital. Okay, so dance consists of three components: Natya, Nrita, and Nritya. So Natya is basically the dramatic representation, the drama or the story which you elaborate through dance recital. Got it? Then Nrita. Then Nrita. Let us write here. Nrita is basically the basic dance steps. Basic dance steps. These are performed rhythmically but devoid of any expression or mood. Basic dance steps devoid of any expression or mood. Only the basic dance step, and it does not denote any mood or expression. So Natya was dramatic representation, Nrita is basic dance steps devoid of any expression. The last is Nritya. It refers to sentiment and the emotions. Refers to sentiments and emotions evoked through dance. Okay, it includes the mime and the different methods of expression including mudras in the dance. So one represents the basic dance steps without expression, one nritya represents emotions and sentiments which is expressed through dance, and natya is dramatic representation. Okay, the story elaborated through dance recital. So basically natya, nritya and nritya or nritya, these are the basic or the important three components of dance. So why I have explained these components to you, because in the classical dance form, these classical dance forms consist of these three components. In the dances, in the classical dances, there will be some more emphasis on one of the component. Okay, so these are the three component of the dance form. Okay, there are 8 classical dance forms in India as recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy or the Indian National Academy. What are 8 classical dances? Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Mohiniyattam, Odissi, Striya and Manipuri. So we will be discussing these 8 classical dances in the short videos, maybe one dance or two dance in a single video. In today's video we will be talking about Bharatanatyam only, and in the next video maybe we will cover next 2 to 3 dance in a single video, to keep the video as short as possible and to help you to gain maximum features of a dance. Okay, and I could have completed all the classical dance in a single video because but I do not want that, because these dance, the features of the dance are important here, and I do not want you to confuse with the features of the dance. Okay, so we will be covering one by one and we'll try to get all the important points from the dance forms. Okay, so before starting with Bharatanatyam, let me tell you that classical dances are recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy, as we have seen, and there are 8 classical dances. But apart from them, Ministry of Culture also consider Chow dance. Which dance? Chow dance. CHHAU. So Ministry of Culture also consider this dance as classical dance of India, but this dance is yet not recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy. So we will be focusing on only 8 classical dance forms of India, and this Chow dance we will be covering in folk dance. Okay, let me rub these for. So let us start with the Bharatanatyam. So Bharatanatyam is belong to the state Tamil Nadu. Each dance will belong to a particular state. So Bharatanatyam belong to or related to Tamil Nadu. So this dance is the oldest classical dance tradition in India. It originated in the temples of South India, particularly in the Tamil Nadu. So where it originated? It originated in the temples of South India, particularly in Tamil Nadu. This dance form was used to be performed by Devadasis in the temples. Devadasi system, you might have heard about it. So this dance was performed, used to be performed by Devadasis. So because this dance was performed by Devadasis, this dance is also known as Dasyatam. 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 Okay. So earliest inscription of this dance is found in 2nd century Common Era ancient Tamil epics Silpadikaram, a book written or epic written by Elango Adigal, and Manimegalai written by Sithalai Satyanar. So these are the two ancient Tamil epics in which the Bharatanatyam dance earliest description are found. Okay, so if anyone want to study the techniques and grammar of the body movement in that Bharatanatyam dance, so the main source of textual material is Abhinaya Darpana by Nandikeshwara. It is a book written by Abhinaya Darpana is a book written by Nandikeshwara. This book is the main source of textual material or provides the information about the techniques and the grammar of body movement in Bharatanatyam dance. Okay, this dance is performed by both male and female. However, majority of the artists are female. The artists wear bright costumes. Women or female generally wear saris and male wears dhotis. Okay, saris and dhotis. So in this dance form, a solo artist called ek harya, a solo artist where one dancer take on many roles in a single performance. Okay, ek harya is a solo artist where one dancer takes on many roles in a single performance. So the dance involves transitional movements of leg, hip, and arms. Expressive eye movements and hand gestures are used to convey emotions, as we can see in the picture. Here you see the eyes and hand gestures. So these eyes are expressive. The eyes are trying to tell something, and the hand gestures, they conveys the emotions. Okay, now the gestures used in this dance are known as hastas or mudras. Gestures used in the Bharatanatyam dance are called hastas or mudras. Okay, the dance is generally broken into 7 main parts: Alaripu, Jatiswaran, Shabda, Varna, Pada, Thillana, and Sloka. You just remember the name of the 7 parts of the dance, and we need not to go into that much of detail of the dance. We need to know the important features of the dance. Okay, so this dance includes many asanas found in yoga. This is important here. Dance includes many asanas which are found in yoga. Okay. Nattuvanar. Who is Nattuvanar? Nattuvanar is a person who conducts the dance recitation. So this Nattuvanar, the person, he accompanies the artist and he conducts the dance recitation. Then Bharatanatyam poses. These Bharatanatyam poses are known as, also called Karanas. 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 So Bharatanatyam poses are depicted on the Gopuram of the Chidambaram temple in Tamil Nadu. The Brihadeshwara temple at Thanjavur has been a center of Bharatanatyam since 1000th century Common Era. So these are the important information or fact that the different dance poses of Bharatanatyam are depicted on the Gopurams of Chidambaram temple. Gopurams are the large gates of the temple are called Gopurams, and these dance of poses of the Bharatanatyam dance are depicted on Gopurams of the Chidambaram temple. Also, we need to remember that Brihadeshwara temple, which is in Thanjavur, has been the center of Bharatanatyam dance since 1000th century Common Era. So, Bharatanatyam is also the state dance form of Tamil Nadu. E. Krishna Iyer and Rukmini Devi Arundel had played a significant role in helping the dance regain its lost popularity and position. So this was all important information in the about the Bharatanatyam dance. Okay, I hope this topic is clear to you. Initially, I thought I would be covering the main points of the dance, but at the last moment, just before making this video, so I changed my mind and thought I must include all the important information which are relevant from the exams perspective. As you can see in nowadays, the exam is very dynamic, so we have to be prepared from all the angles. So I try to include as much as information which is important from the exam point of view. Okay, I hope you like the video, and if for any feedback and any question, please post me in the comment section. I will try to improve the quality of the lecture and try to answer your question as soon as possible. So in the next video we will be discussing about Kathak, and the next dance may be Kathakali and Kuchipudi in next lecture. Thank you very much.